In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Xero invoices to better fit your business needs. Xero offers a range of customizable features that allow you to make your invoices not only functional, but uniquely your own. Let's dive into the process and walk through the steps together. First, to get started with personalizing your invoices in Xero, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your Xero dashboard. There, you'll see your business name prominently displayed. Clicking on your business name will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options and tools you can use to manage your account and its features. After selecting Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, look for the Invoice Settings option. Clicking on this will take you to the area dedicated to managing and customizing your invoice appearances. It's here where the real fun begins. Within the invoice settings, you'll notice a button that says New Branding Theme. By clicking on this button, you'll embark on creating a new invoice template from scratch. This option is perfect if you're looking to completely revitalize the way your invoices look and what information they display. You can handpick the fields you want to include and adjust their order to suit what's most relevant for your clients and business operations. If you're satisfied with the general structure of your current invoices and want to make tweaks instead, there's an alternative route. Take a look at the top right corner of the existing templates section, where you will find an Options button. Clicking this button will open more choices for each template, including the default standard one you might already be using. From there, elect to Edit the template. This allows you to adapt your existing templates by adjusting formats, colors, and included fields, making sure every detail reflects your brand identity. And there you go, all the steps you need to know to customize Xero invoices to reflect your style and business needs. With these tools at your fingertips, you can ensure that your invoices not only convey the necessary financial information, but also leave a professional impression consistent with your brand. It's really that simple, yet it can significantly impact how your clients perceive your business. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Customizing your invoices can improve both your business's efficiency and its professional appearance, so start exploring these options today to see how a few changes can make a big difference. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy customizing.